Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video, I'm gonna be preparing ackee and saltfish. And guys, as you can see here, I have my saltfish. I'm gonna put this in some water and boil the excess salt from this and get it cooked. And here I have a parcel of ackee. This is coming straight from Jamaica. It was frozen. I thawed it out and it's here resting. And here guys, I have my cut up seasoning or veggies. So I have my yellow, green and red bell peppers, garlic, thyme, a piece of a hot scotch bonnet pepper and my onion. And now I'm gonna get this saltfish cooked because it's very salty and I'll take it from there. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, y'all can see for yourself, the saltfish is being cooked to get the excess amount of salt from the saltfish. So this I'm gonna do 2 times. Okay, I'm just gonna let it continue to cook and then I'm gonna throw this water off and give it a second boil. So guys, as you can see now, the water in the saltfish, it has gone down to this amount, and at this point I'm gonna change the water, add fresh water, let it boil, and then I'm gonna add the ackee to be cooked as well with the saltfish because I want my ackee to have that nice saltfish flavor. So guys, this is the second time I'm boiling the saltfish, and in a bit I'm gonna add the ackee to this water. Okay, so guys, here is the ackee, and I told you already that it's thawed out, and so I'm gonna add it while the saltfish do our second boil. Okay, so guys, at this point I'm gonna take the saltfish from, you know, the ackee, and I'm gonna clean this up in the meantime. Here's the ackee. I'm now gonna pour it in this other draining container, you know, so that the ackee can drain. So guys, while the ackee is being drained here, I'm gonna work on the saltfish. So I'm gonna clean up the saltfish, basically use a knife and scrape off the scale and take out the bones and all of that, and then I break it to pieces. Okay, so guys, here I have, you know, on the stove here, you know, my veggies already prepared, and I'm gonna add some oil to that. Just a saute, that's enough. Guys, when I say smell good, you know, this thing smells so good. The saute smells so delicious, guys. Oh my god. This is lovely. I'm smelling Jamaica. Lovely Jamaica. Yes guys, I love my ackee and saltfish with a lot of beauty. I do not put black pepper in my ackee. It's okay if you want to put black pepper in your ackee, it's not a big deal. Okay, and here is the saltfish that I broken up in pieces, and I'm gonna add it to the saute because I want my saltfish to have that delicious saute flavor. Smells so good. I can imagine the taste. Yes guys, let this go and simmer on medium flame. I'm gonna leave this saltfish and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so guys, I am back to check on my saltfish. Yes guys, looking lovely, smelling so good, so delicious. Woo. I just cannot get enough. I cannot get enough of this fragrance. It is lovely. I can smell the garlic, the bell peppers, the thyme, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Oh my God. Oh, this is just lovely. Yes, guys. So at this point, I'm going to add the ACKEE. Okay. So guys, here's the ACKEE, and I'm gonna add it. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. Oh, I wish y'all could just have a little taste of this right now. Yes, as I mentioned before, you can go ahead and add your black pepper if you choose to. I do not need to add black pepper. I already have, you know, my Scotch bonnet pepper. It's great enough. And I'm just gonna let this simmer. Look at that pretty, this beautiful ACKEE, guys. Look at this. You know what? I'm gonna let this simmer, guys. So as usual, yes, I'm gonna cover again and let this simmer for 2 minutes. And if you want to see what I'll be having this ACKEE with, you gotta stay tuned. And here you go, guys, Jamaican ACKEE and saltfish with 2 boiled wheat dumplings and 2 seeds of boiled bananas. Guys, this plate here that I dished out, the thing is, you can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Anyways, if you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Remember to leave a comment, share the video, and go ahead, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And remember to hit that bell to turn the post notification on so that you can be in tune of all my uploads that are coming.